Today I got a nice surprise in the mail. The Pixel 6 Pro arrived. Google sent this to me along with the translucent case. They sent the Sorta Sunny one, which I'm not 100% positive I like this color, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. So far the phone looks kind of interesting. I'm gonna open the case. Got a nice little paper cover here. It's a nice shiny screen. Gonna try not to take it out without breaking it. In the box, cable, little USB to USB-C adapter. You'll notice there is no power charger in it. That's something they have started not including, just like Apple. And I'm not going to turn this on yet because I'm not allowed to actually show off the new Android 12 for a while, but I can show off the phone. The camera is very cool looking. It's starting to grow on me from the original reaction I had when I first saw the pictures online. I can't wait to see how it looks when I turn it on. Very shiny. Screen is right up to the edge there. So yeah, first impressions, it's a pretty weighty phone. It's a nice size screen. It's a little bit bigger than my 4XL that I'm shooting this on, as you can kind of see in the reflection there. And yeah, I'll have more thoughts on it after I use it a bit.